Oh, this is gonna be fun. Yeah, you're still high. A little bit of a twist, not much. Perfect. Perfecto. Perfecto. There. Way high back there. Whoa. How are we that far off? And with a little use of cooking show magic and a whole nother day, all 4 of them are done. look at that. Lock. There we go. Well, that's one way to do it. Let's try this again. One. I need 3 more. So there you have it. We have a leg in our bench. 1 of them done. Now I need to do 3 more of them. Yeah, this is going to be one of those fun projects. And once I get these joined in there, then I can make the stretchers, and I still need to resaw those stretchers, and then we need to cut the tenons and the mortises, and everything's going to get drawboard. And this is one of those projects where I've got a lot of work to do, so stay tuned. Some of you are going to wonder why I didn't drive this all the way down in. That's because I got it really, really tight, and it's at the point now I know it will go in. I just have to hit it with a bigger hammer, and that's where I really want this to be. I want it to be a very, very solid joint. So this project has a ways more to go still, but I'm looking forward to being able to have this bench in this spot and not have to think about ever moving the house again, because I don't ever want to move this bench once it's set down. So if you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, snide remarks, or wonder why in the world I'm working with a large slab like this, throw a comment down below, or go check out the video links to the whole series. They're all down in the description down below. And if you want to help out the channel, all you have to do is put a comment down below. It does help us out. Anytime you do, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit those buttons down there. It helps us get in front of more people, helps this channel grow, means a lot, and it's just wonderful. Thank you. Even if you put some snide comment down below that hurts my feelings, no, it actually helps us out. So I do like that. But if you really want to help us out and go even farther, think about joining these people over here. Those are some of the fantastic, wonderful, benevolent, gorgeous, and amazing people over on Patreon. And between patrons and members who have clicked the join button down below, or the thank you button, you guys are the ones that support this channel and allow me to do what I want to do. That way I can do all of this without sponsors, and I get to say what I want to say rather than what some company wants me to hawk and sell. So I think they'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. I've been throwing these legs around so much, it makes me feel like I'm doing the can-can.